la la la. Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love with the city lights. Look, I'm enough of a big star. I got my girls and I got my cars.
Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. It is summer. It's summer and the sun is really hot. Yes, the weather is so hot. It's biting. So I traveled. I came back from my trip looking how do they call it? Is it energized? I don't know how to say it. Strong and ready to work. Okay, so today's video is wig review. As usual, you guys know I review wigs. If it is your first time here in this channel, I review wigs. Okay, that's what I do, and I try my best to install them for you guys, even though I'm not a hairstylist, but I try my best. And this summer, guys, I'm trying to show you guys how you can wear your wig, start gluing it down, because the sun is too hot. When you install your wigs this summer with glue, it's going to melt on you. It happens to me when I travel. I made shakara. I went to glue my wig down, and guys, it was really catastrophe. I said, me that been saying you don't need to glue your wig down because during summer it will melt on you. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? So I decided not to glue my wigs down this summer. All through this summer, any wig I will review or any wig I will wear, I'm not gluing it down. Okay, so today I'm reviewing this one from Yoowigs. This is the packaging. This is how it came. You guys know I've been working at Yoowigs for long, and their packaging is like this. If it's your first time seeing them, it's like this. How cute it is. Okay, so let me bring the wig out. I think it's one of those wigs I'm not going to glue down. Wow. Okay, and there's a headband inside. That's a gift, and there's a card also that came with it. So I'm going to include some of the wigs that I've reviewed from them on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out and watch more of those videos. So there's a tag, there's always a tag on it, and this wig, this is it. The color is not red, it's brown, kind of brownish red. Okay, this is the real color you're seeing right here. So all information about the wig will be on the description in case if you're interested to check that out. There's always a discount code. I'll check if there's any. I will also include it on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. It came pre-plucked. It came with some combs, middle, side, and at the back. There's no lace at the back, so the back is like this, and it came with inbuilt adjustable strap. And the lace is brown. See? Okay, you see it. So I'm going to see if this is going to blend on my skin. If not, I'm going to use airbrush lace on it. You guys know how we rock this. Okay, see the hair is straight. You see it. So I'm not doing anything, just easy wear and go. So there is no shedding. You see the way I'm dragging it, no shedding, and doesn't have any smell. So this is just sharp review. You see the color. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is shiny. So you see it. Wow. Alright, let me place it on my head for you guys to see. So guys, this is it on. You can see, let me brush it. Center part. So I don't need to do much. This is it. Let me add oil to it. You see the lace, so I don't need to bleach the lace. I don't need to bleach it, you see. Wow. You see how the hair is bouncing. Just need to flatten the top. This is so hot. Normally this 5x5 if you want baby hair, you can just break out baby hair, but I got no time for baby hair. I got no time for baby hair this summer. I don't have time for baby hair at all. See that? So let me cut the excess lace. At all. There is no need for that, no point for that. And I like the way they shop the front. You can see the layers. It has some layers. I like that. So it's zero work needed to do. Zero work needed. So the trick I use, I'm going to tie the front down so that it can lap very well on my scarf. That's why I do that, since I'm not gluing it down. I'm just going to tie this down. Okay, so I will leave it like this. So guys, I'm going to lose this that I tied on it. Ooh, you see the way it's in lap because of what I tied on it. So I use my foundation to blend my forehead. Then I'm going to open the party. Straighten my hair.
Door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out, but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that, 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 we got that love, we got that, we got that. Kiss me and the world disappears. Tell me the things that I wanna hear.
So I will leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Very easy to do. You don't need to glue it down. Very simple. Smash it on and you're good to go. I said it this summer, I'm not in for baby hair. I'm not in for gluing wigs down. I just do it simple. Smash my wig on and I'm good to go. So if you like this video, just click on that like button, and please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for doing that. Bye. Mwah.